Be ready. Start. On the other hand, the respondent filed a counter affidavit stating therein that in writ petition filed by one Avnish Kumar, this court has directed that the person may inquire into the matter regarding the employees who have obtained the appointment under the dying in harness rules on the ground that their father or mother were in service of the respondent and died in harness, and on that basis some inquiry was conducted and it was found that the birth certificate submitted by the petitioner appears to be forged. Further allegation has been made that after inquiry it was found that only to get an appointment in the police department, the forged certificate of birth has been submitted by the petitioner. Therefore, the appointment selection of the petitioner is thereby cancelled. Para. I have considered the submissions made on behalf of the parties and perused the record from the averments made by the parties in the writ petition as well as in the counter affidavit. It does not transpire that petitioner was ever given a notice and opportunity before passing the order. In fume, admittedly, the petitioner's appointment was of 1989. In case some inquiry as submitted by the respondent was made and a conclusion was arrived upon that petitioner only to get an appointment has filed a forged certificate claiming that his date of birth is 15/11/1969. Petitioner's case is that he was passed the high school in the year 1983 and certificate issued by the board was submitted mentioning therein that the date of birth of the petitioner is 15th November 1969. The respondents have not disclosed the fact that from where they have inquired into the matter and what are the documents to show thereunder that the certificate submitted by the petitioner was forged. Therefore, in my opinion, it was incumbent on the part of the respondents to have a proceeding against the petitioner as provided under the rules. The regulation itself provides that in case of some misconduct or if on the basis of some inquiry it has been found that a person has obtained the appointment by playing fraud, in that circumstances, unless and until the procedure of inquiry as provided under the rules is followed, no disciplinary action can be taken against an employee. It is also not the case of the respondent that after verification from the petitioner also it was established that the appointment has been obtained by playing fraud. Therefore, in view of settled principle of law, it was not necessary to give a notice and opportunity and to have a disciplinary proceeding against the petitioner, as it is settled in law that fraud vitiates everything unless and until it is established the procedure as provided cannot be bypassed. Articles 311 in bracket 2 of the Constitution of India provides for dispensation of inquiry in case a finding is recorded by the disciplinary authority that it is not possible and feasible to have an inquiry in the circumstances of the case. Stop.